such a rainy day.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by.
This is eating
so quiet.
chips on my carpet. Say good morning, Maddie. Good morning, baby. You don't have to get up. You can sit down. Sit down, baby. Say good morning, princess. Say good morning. Hello. Destiny?
Oh, hi.
Oh.
Good morning.
Good. Say hi.
Daddy.
Say good morning, boys. Good morning.
Good morning.
Say good morning, Jackson.
Good morning.
Okay, you don't have to be crazy. Juju, say good morning. Say good morning, Juju. Who brought this basket down? Okay, guys, so I decided I'm gonna vlog today. Still on my hair. I haven't done anything. I'm making oatmeal for breakfast.
Hi.
Cause I was doing intermittent fasting, but I'm hungry. It's like 11. Well, it's 10:58. I usually start eating at 12.
Mommy. May I get a popsicle?
No, it's too early. I said that earlier. You try to whenever time I'm distracted, you try to sneak in your request, and I told you no earlier. Go have a seat. Go have a seat. So yeah, I did the cleaning video yesterday, posted it and got a copyright. So I'm thinking maybe I need to take the song off, the Eyes on You song, and I already put in a different song, but I just don't want to, I don't know, I just don't want to start over. I feel like it's gonna be weird putting up the same video on a different day, so I don't know. Oh, like my shirt says I used to be a people person, then people ruined it. So true, that's my life. So let me put you guys up here while I make my breakfast. So anyways, let's talk. So you know, we moved and everything, and we applied for schooling for the children here. I'm breaking out. The water here is so hard, and we don't have a water softener, and I'm putting peanut butter in my oatmeal. And we applied for a private school, and they got in at the price that we could pay. They did a worthy student, where they assist with the tuition and everything. So we got in at the price point that we can pay. But I'm just like, is it going to be the same next year? Do I have to go through the same thing of proving that we are financially worthy to attend? Because I just don't want them to attend, but you never know, the Lord might provide next year, so I don't even know I'm worrying. She was like, just go ahead and do what you gotta do and all of this, and I'm just like pulling back. And that's just me, you know. I've always started something, and then I find myself pulling back from it, and out of fear that, you know, it's gonna be a failure. And I've always wanted for the kids to get a Christian education. It's just so expensive. And you know, and it was nice that this church offered to help, even though it's not the church that we go to, that we belong to. It's not the church, but they were nice enough to offer to pay for 3 of our kids. So basically we're only paying for 1 child to attend, and they're funding the other 3, you know. So that was very nice of them. I'm stressed. But then the public school where we live, it's not really good. And then their elementary school, they go up to 3rd grade, and then after 3rd grade they split them up. So Jackson will be in 1st grade, Destiny will be in 5th, and this is the first year that all the children are not in the same school because the twins are going to middle school. So I'm gonna have three sets. I'm gonna have 3 different schools. I'm gonna have middle school, I'm gonna have intermediate school, and then I'm gonna have elementary school. So Destiny is gonna be in the intermediate. I think I'm pronouncing it right. And Jackson would be in elementary. And I'm just like, I don't know how I feel about that, because, you know, I wanted Jackson to at least have someone there with him, you know, but especially in a new state, you know. So I'm sad about that. And the other day I had a mini panic attack. It just crept up on me, like legit crept up on me. Like 1 minute I'm fine purchasing furniture, and the next minute I'm in somebody's emergency room and they're thinking I'm having a heart attack. So that's where we are in the whole process. The house driving me crazy because I want it to be perfect, but in reality there's no such thing as a perfect house, you know. Want some oatmeal? I just need to stay off Instagram. And be realistic, you know, and realize that I just purchased a really big house, and well, it's not that big, but it's a decent size for us, and it's gonna take time to get it the way I want. If you guys just saw my backyard, there's nothing back there, and we don't have fence. We have to redo the whole backyard because the seed that they put down, the birds came and had a feast. So our backyard is like bald as an old man's head. And we have to do fencing. We gotta put in a patio, a deck. I just want the yard to be functional, but it's not. But we did get our home security system put in. And what else? We got the ring in the back and we got the ring in the front. So the ring in the back is like a floodlight, so it lets us know if anyone's back there, and the ring in the front is just a Ring doorbell. And the home security set up where, you know, the basement is secure. Even if they break the window, it will alert us to let us know. All the windows on the main floor are secure. The whole house is just secure because it's a new state. I don't know where I am, you know, so I don't know anything about the community. It's safe. It seems safe, but I won't know until something happens, you know what I mean? Just crossing my T's and dotting my I's, you know what I mean? So anyway, I'm gonna shut up because I've been talking for 8 minutes, but I think you guys are up to speed. So I'll talk to you guys a little bit.
Oh, that's how the other thing found it.
You saying hi to me or the sunshines?
I'm sorry to forget what it's like to be grown up.
So I'm eating my lunch.
Okay. As long as we don't forget each other. Or do it.
So I'm eating my lunch, mommy. Look at that fork skill.
Okay.
Yeah, that fork skill. Yeah, get it, Maddie.
You forgot to put the noodles in. Is it okay?
Oh. Why? Hi. Hi.
Sarah.
Alright, you're making a mess. Why you guys have to be so mean to each other?
I didn't mean to.
So I have a package. Instead of going to the store, I have stuff delivered to my house from Amazon. That's how much of a I showed you guys what my shirt said. People annoys me, so to deal less or to have less people in my space, I order stuff off Amazon. So I got the trash bag, the 30-gallon size, and this is 74, so this will last us for a while. And my trusty dandy soap. I'm trying out a new scent. I've been having this delivered to our house for a while, and I used the original and I wanted to try a different scent, so I went with this. Oh, unstoppable. I love this. I love this. It smells so good. And dryer sheet. And then there's another box in here. I think this is okay, so that box is Downy fabric softener. I wanted the big pack, but that was with the pantry, and I'm not paying for pantry delivery, so I just got this instead. It smells good. It smells good. This is just a regular. So that's all. Okay, so this was originally $8.94, and with all the discounts and stuff, I paid $6.16 for it. And this is the Downy Unstoppable, the two of them. And then this guy was $14.99, and I ended up paying $10.32 with all my discount. And so this guy ended up paying $5. What is this? The fabric softener sheets. And then this guy was, how much was this guy? $19, and I paid $13.76 for the soap. And those are usually $20 in the store, so you guys better hop on Amazon. And same thing here. Okay. Guys, I'm having one of those lazy, unproductive days where I don't even want to lay in my bed because my bed is made, and once I make my bed, I don't want to lay in it, which is why I need a couch in my room or a chair or a bench so I can sit on it and not sit on my bed, because I'm very weird like that. Husband is home. He's mowing the lawn. Instead of spending time with me, he's mowing the lawn. Not that I want him to spend time with me. I do. I'm in my feelings because I don't know. I don't know if I told you guys a long time ago that with me and my husband, we're very close. We're like really, really close, extremely close. And with him starting a new job, I forgot to tell you guys, he started a new job. Today makes his 4th day at the new job. More money, all of that, yada yada, whatever. Money don't make you happy. I will tell you guys that money does not make a person happy, and it cannot make you happy. But he started a new job, and he's basically in training. He's supposed to be a driver, but he's like, it ain't gonna happen. They basically hire him as a replacement just in case if something happened to the other driver. They have him as a backup. That's not my husband. He likes to go and be busy. So he's like, I don't see myself staying there, and I don't see myself having him there either, because I like to talk to him throughout the day. And as a driver, as a truck driver, he calls me on his break, or he calls me, you know, to chat every now and then. And I miss those phone calls. I miss being able to talk to him throughout the day. I miss being able to, you know, just talk, because now I feel like he's gone throughout the day and I can't call him until he's off. So by 2:28, I'm blowing up his phone, and he's like, look, sweetie, I'm getting in the car. I can't talk to you right now. I'm trying to get my stuff. And I kind of like are you pushing me away, or you just don't want to talk to me? You know what I mean? But it's nothing like that. It's just that I'm just like, so I don't know if I'm a needy person. I wouldn't say I'm a needy person, because I'm not a needy person. It's just that going from talking to every single day, multiple times a day, don't mind my friends right here and my hair. It's a hot mess. It's growing back in, and I don't know what to do with it, so you guys are gonna see here. But I don't know, guys. Like, tell me what to do. Like, how do you guys communicate with your spouse when they are not around? Like, how do you keep from feeling neglected? What in the world is up with the sun? Oh Lord, it's on both sides. But anyways, so how do you guys, what in the, I wanted a house with sun, but there's sun everywhere. There's sun over there too. What in the world? No. Okay, I'm gonna go sit back here. So anyways, guys, how do you keep communication at the center of your relationship when you can't talk all day? Like, when you can't talk to the person when you want to, or because I had to legit wait all day today to talk to my husband. And then we got into a little petty argument about why I felt like he wasn't excited to hear my voice or something, whatever. Stupid. When you've been married for so long, you just get into stupid fights. Oh. But I don't know, I don't know, I just feel sad. And one of the reasons why I'm sad is because I woke up this morning and I check our account, and our first mortgage payment came out. Mind you, it's a little less than what we've been paying in rent since we've been on our own. But I was just sad. I was sad for all the wrong reason, you know. We didn't pay anything in July, and June we paid half, and then we paid all that money for, you know, our clothing. But I was just sad. I was sad, and then it hit me. I was looking at a sign on my gallery wall, and it said home, and then I realized that I'm no longer investing in someone else's wealth, and I am now beginning to invest in our own stability and our own wealth, you know what I mean? And then I was like, I'm not sad. I'm basically putting cash back in our pocket, you know what I mean? Because we're paying extra on our mortgage. Basically, we're paying what we paid in rent in our mortgage, even though our mortgage is way less. Because what we're doing is, if we could afford to pay it all those years, why not continue? You know what I mean? Not because our mortgage is less doesn't mean that we're going to pay the exact. So we're putting way more into our mortgage than what it's actually due, if that makes sense, in the hopes that we will pay off the mortgage faster and all of that, yada yada. But it just hit me that we are homeowners now, and we're investing in our children's future. We're investing in ourselves financially, and it's just a change. It's a change. It's a good change and all that, and I'm excited and everything. But I just, every now and then I get sad, and that just stems from, you know, as someone that suffers from depression and anxiety. That's going to happen regardless. Anything can trigger my anxiety. Anything, just really minor things, and it's mostly finances that does that, because of the fact that I grew up in poverty. And when you grow up in poverty and constantly wondering where your food is coming from, whether or not you're gonna have shelter over your head and stuff like that, that stick with you for the rest of your life. Whether or not you have money saved up, whether or not you're doing the right thing, you know, it sticks with you, you know. regardless, no matter if you're making 6-figure, you can go from having it all one day to losing it all in an instant. So you have to be grateful for everything you have. And with that said, I think this is going to be it for today's video. What's up, JJ?
Bye.
Thank you guys for hanging out with me today, and I'm gonna go.